Today we are going to do 10 minutes morning yoga session. So no props are required. It is basically to energize your body in the morning. So begin with Tadasana. Now slowly raise your both the arms up and then with exhalations drop them down. Inhale, raise it up. Exhale, drop it down. Now when you raise your arms up, see that your palms are facing front, and when you drop your hands down, the palms are facing down. Now slowly raise your heels also up. With each inhalation, raise your arms. With each exhalation, drop your hands and your heels down. You may do it little faster also. Inhale, arms up, heels up. Exhale, arms down, heels down. Try to do 5 to 10 rounds. And then slowly stand straight. Relax there for a while. Now interlace your palms, raise your both the arms up, lengthen your spine, and then slowly take your arms over your head towards your right side. And then slowly come back to the center. Take your both the arms over your head towards your left side. Keep on breathing. Inhale, come back to the center, and then slowly lower your hands down. I'll show you the sideways. Change the interlacing of your fingers, stretch your arms forward, and then gently with inhalation raise them up. Now try to go towards your right side, lengthening your little side. Stretch well. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale over your head towards your left side. Come back to the center, and then slowly lower your both the hands down. Take a few rounds of normal inhalation and exhalation. Now widen your both the legs parallel to your buttocks. Raise your right arm up and then gently go towards your left side. Open up your rib cage. Stretch your arms over your head. You may gaze from your armpit towards your right side, and then gently release your right hand down. Lift your left arm up and then gently go over your head towards your right side. Open up your rib cage, lengthen, and then gently come back to the center. Now bring your both the feet together. Relax there for a while. Once again, open your both the legs out. Raise your both the arms and twist towards your right side. You can raise your left heels also up and then slowly lower your hands down. Twist towards your left side and then gently come back to the center. Continue for 4 to 5 rounds. Inhale, raise the arms up and twist. Exhale, lower the hand down. Inhale, arm up. Come back to the center. Twist towards your left side. Come back to the center, your right. Now from here, drop your elbows down. Squeeze the shoulder blades and then gently raise your arms up. You may continue this for 2 to 3 rounds. And then slowly come back to the center. Continue on to your left side. Drop your elbows down. Squeeze your shoulder blades. Keep on raising your arms up and then drop it down. Keep on breathing. And then gently come back to the center. Feet together. Relax there for a while. Once again, widen your both the legs little out. Now turn towards your right side. Bring your left palm on your right shoulder and your right hand behind. Twist towards your left side. Continue. You may wrap your arms around your trunk and keep on twisting towards your right side and your left side. Now bring your awareness onto your both the heels. Press both the feet down and continue. Now slowly stand in a Tadasana. Grab your right knee with both your palms and try to press it down towards your abdomen. You may take a support of the chair if you are not able to balance. Now bend your right leg behind. Bring your right heels between your glutes and then gently raise your left arm up. Lengthen. This is a good stretch for your quadricep. Bend your left knee bring it towards your chest, hold, straighten your lower leg. Now gently take it back, hold the metatarsus and press it down towards your heels, buttocks. Now come onto your knees and your palms, tabletop. Both the knee should be parallel to your buttocks. Both the palm wrist should be parallel to your shoulders. You may flatten or you can tuck your toes. Now don't raise your shoulders up. Try to pull the shoulders away from your ear. Now initiate your movement from your tailbone. Try to move your spine forward and then slowly with inhalation raise it up. Exhale, drop your head down, your tailbone down. Inhale, raise your tailbone up, your chest up. Continue this cat and cow pose for 5 to 6 rounds. Inhale up, exhale, round your back. Inhale, curve your back. Now once again, slowly try to go back and rest there for a while. Now once again come onto your knees and palms. You may tuck your toes, straighten your right leg behind and then slowly lift it up. Drop it down, raise it up. Drop it and raise it up. Bend the right knee. Now from here, take your right knee parallel to the floor and then gently lower it down. Stretch the right leg back, bend the right knee, take it out. This is a good hip opening. Stretch well. Now switch, straighten your left leg, raise it up from your thighs, drop it down. Raise it up and drop it down. Now bend your knee. Take your left knee towards your left side and then slowly lower it down. Straighten the leg behind, bend the knee, take it towards your left side and then lower it down. Don't touch the knee down. If you want, you can touch the knee also down. Continue and then slowly go for a child's pose. Relax there for a while. Now tuck your toe, press your palms and then slowly lift your glutes up. Come up for the Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now bring your right foot between both your palms. Drop your left knee behind. You may even flatten your foot behind or you may tuck your toes behind. Now press and lift the chest up. Push the pelvis down. And then slowly try to straighten the front leg. Bring your buttocks towards your left heels. Go back. Inhale, try to go forward, pushing your pelvis down. Go back, bringing your buttocks towards your heels. Keep on opening your pelvis. And then slowly bring your right leg back. Step your left foot forward and push your pelvis down. Continue. Going for half Hanumanasana and Anjaneyasana. The palm should be either side of your front foot. Inhale, go forward. Exhale, go back. Now from here, try to step your back leg forward and come up in a Tadasana. Now raise your both the arms up. Bend your trunk from your pelvis. Stretch your arms forward and then slowly place your palms on top of your shin bone. Don't round your back, make your back completely flat. Now try to bend your knees, rest your abdomen on your thighs, press the palms down and drop your head down. Those who can straighten the leg, they can go for the full Uttanasana. Or you can bend your knees and then go down. Now once you want to come back, come bending your knees, placing your palms on your shin bone and then slowly with inhalation, raise your arms up and then slowly lower them down. Now raise your arms up. Try to bring your buttocks down, tuck your tailbone and then slowly lower the hands down. Now let's continue. Swing your arms back. Breathe. Go down, Utkatasana. Release. Inhale, raise your arms up, and then slowly drop your buttocks. Come back to the center, sorry. Now sit in a Dandasana. Stretch your both the legs out. Raise your arms up. And then gently lower your trunk down, making your spine completely straight, like as a 30-degree angle. If you can't reach your toes, you can grab your ankle or your shin or your knees. Those who can go deeper into the Paschimottanasana, they can go deeper. Or you may go for this position. Now bend your right knee. Grab your right knee with your left palm and turn towards your right side. A gentle twist will release the tension from your lumbar. Bend your left knee. Hold the left knee with your right palm and twist towards your left side. Make your spine straight and then slowly come back to the center. Now slowly lie down on your back. Bend your knees. Now slowly lift your buttocks up, your chest towards your chin. Roll the shoulders back and try to bring your shoulder blades closer to each other. Continue. Inhale, raise the buttocks up, chest towards your chin. Now slowly hug your both the knees. Rock and roll towards your right side and your left side. Now hold the knee with your right palm. Take them towards your right side. Stretch your left arm out and rotate your head. Look towards your left palm. Come back to the center. Grab your both the knees with your left palm. Take them towards your left side and try to turn your trunk towards your right side. The right shoulder should be touching the floor. And then gently hug your both the knees. And then slowly try to straighten your both the legs. Stretch them out. Prepare yourself for the Savasana.